sir, for taking this initiative and for inviting all the women's. Being part of the women's helped us in getting to know each other, women's and their positive. Everyone has their own field of expertise. Now I have 20 other women. If I face problem in my transport industry कि भैया अगर मुझे FIR में मेरा एक्सीडेंट प्रॉब्लम हुआ है तो whom I have to consult, या मुझे मार्केटिंग करनी है, या मुझे कोई आयशर अगर मुझे कोई ट्रक खरीदना है, so who has recently purchased and who is more into technical, so whom should I consult? So now I have 20 other women making me realize that they are doing so much in the industry and what is their forte. So whom should I consult, whom should I correlate, so that we can help each other and our fraternity industry in bringing more the women, because women can be more disciplined and all, and they are bringing the change and a human and the women touch, feminism touch in the industry, which was much more needed. And what is more important is the people don't know how much they are respecting women in the industry. Even now the transport industry is being taken as backward, though after COVID criteria बहुत सारा change हुआ है, but still abroad में you won't believe girls are fighting the cases because transporters are not giving them the opportunity just because they are the single women. So उनके लिए अलग से washrooms create करना या facilities create करना because of this thing. And here Indians में OEMs and the peoples are calling the women to take this initiative to encourage more other women. So definitely India is standing out. What happens is from our customer to end customer, whosoever the vehicle is reaching, we make sure we take the mail IDs and the contact numbers. It is always been given. We try and help them in getting to know the pre-schedule, एक timing कि what will be the day timing or the timing when the vehicle will reach, so that if we can pre-tell them through a professional mail कि सर इतने बजे गाड़ी आ जाएगी, so that they know, so they can arrange the loading and unloading process accordingly. So loading and unloading process is most where the vehicles get halt. अगर ये चीज हो गया ना तो 30% of the चीज gets low. So to every other person, मतलब अभी तक मेल सिर्फ कस्टमर्स और ट्रांसपोर्टर्स में इंटरेक्शन होते थे. What we are doing is कि customers को we try to interact with the mail so that our loading and unloading time can be reduced. Alternate fuels में they are the mandatory, you can say. The more easy, the more जितनी जल्दी आप उस चीज को अडॉप्ट कर लेंगे. द रीजन बीइंग देयर आर द क्लॉजेस नाउ इन द गवर्नमेंट टेंडर्स या कोई भी बिग टेंडर्स, इफ यू हैव टू फिल, यू हैव टू गिव देम द सस्टेनेबिलिटी रिपोर्ट. नाउ इवन ऑफ योर वेंडर्स, इट इज कंपल्सरी टू योर वेंडर्स ऑल्सो, सो दैट ग्रीन इनिशिएटिव विच हैज बीन टेकन बाय प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड एवरी बिग कॉर्पोरेट हाउसेस to support. So every individual when will become green sustainable, they'll support these all the big manufacturers. So it has become mandatory. It is very easy कि अगर अपन अभी से adopt कर लें, so that we can be prepared for the future till the time it becomes compulsory. Until then we'll be having our own fleet in the green sustainable, which will help in our development also, showing the possibility that how much we are also supporting the government and will help our vendors also, and it will create us opportunity fast, so that the people who has not been adopted and it has become compulsion, the new gates can open us, because